Well, sa bagay, hindi nyo na po sakop to. Kasi nakapagtaka sa 6.3 million pesos lang ang
Yeah.
total amount na performance bond ng Prime. Hindi nyo pa po pwede silang questionin o tanungin bakit ganon, ganon samantalang isang 10 years na kayo dyan sa industriya niyan, and then by the dozens ang inyo pong pinapasukang JVA at kailangan magbigay ng 10% sa capital investment para sa performance bond. Bakit ganun lang kaliit yung perang nandyan sa inyo ngayon?
Uh, Mr. Chair, we could look into that because in terms of how we certify bonds, we have a process within IC whereby uh, we certify that the bond was issued by a company that was authorized to do so. And then in that certification, we provide there a QR code, which which brings you to a portal where you can check the authenticity of that
Siguro pakicheck na lang po.
bond. Yes, yes, sir. We will do that, sir. We will look into that, sir.
Let them explain. Anyway, wala naman masabi sa itong si Mr. Fabrique kasi presidente po kayo ng Prime? Sa lahat? You sure? You're the president? Hindi nga po. Kasi if you're the president of the company, you should be able to answer some simple questions. And then, kanina medyo naninervous pa kayo, sir. Siyempre, pag presidente, dapat malakas ang dating nyo. At lahat ng sagot, boom, 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 sagot-sagot agad. Pero in your case, parang hindi po kayo presidente para sa akin. Baka ginawa lang kayong presidente kahapon lang para magkatin ng hearing, sir. Sorry, sir. I'm not, hindi ko minamalit yung capability mo. Kaya lang, the way you answer questions kasi kanina sa amin, parang nasi-short case mo kami. You're not giving the right answers to a very simple question. So, some questions.